Filled up two shopping carts late last night. One was full of fishing gear, the other Miller Lite. The checkout lady laughed and said, "You think you've got enough?" And I said, "Yeah, you're probably right," and filled another two carts up. Gonna catch all the fish, gonna drink all the beer, gonna anchor down, we're staying here. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer. I picked up the boys at dawn and we were on our way. It hadn't been 10 minutes before Jimmy's cell phone rang. His old lady asked him how long we'd be on the lake, and I said, "You tell her we're staying here however long it takes. Gonna catch all the fish, gonna drink all the beer. Better warn her now, better make it clear. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer. Just as long as there's a can left in that cooler, and just as long as there's a bass left in that lake, that just means that we've still got some work to do here. Just as long as there's still gas left in them tanks. Come on! Where we caught all the fish and we drank all the beer and we ran out of gas. Now we're stuck out here, a bunch of empty cans, worthless fishing gear, 'cause we drank all the fish and we caught all the beer. Well, I mean, we caught all the fish and drank all the beer.